A struct is a custom-defined data type that can group variables into one type. To define a struct, use the struct keyword, followed by a name, and inside the curly braces, define all the fields you want to store. You can also use typedef to define structs as well. To assign values, create a struct variable and use dot notation to assign values for that struct. Another way to assign values is to use a comma-separated list inside curly braces. If you want to assign string values, use the string copy function, where the first parameter is the field and the second parameter is the string value. Creating a struct variable can also be done using dynamic memory allocation, and to assign values, use the arrow notation. To print each value, use the printf function, where the first parameter is the format specifier and the second parameter is the value you want to print. Thanks for watching and follow for more.